12 rooms that share the colors that go with green. We worship this kitchen by the design team at Studio Sven for its ingenious use of two striking colors. On the ceiling is a look at me shade of emerald green that throws focus to the spectacular light fixture. The turquoise tile on the wall is equally bold and harmonizes with the ceiling without feeling overwhelming thanks to the white walls and dark wood cabinetry. The neutral hues of the latter features keep the cooking space feeling balanced yet still vibrant. Pale minty green walls set the stage for an explosion of color and textures in a chic teenager's bedroom created by interior design Laura Nell. The whisper, soft wall color lends lovely contrast to the rustic wood feature wall. It also adds coherence to the room by picking up similar shades of green through the bedroom, most notably the bedding and wall art. Another good thing to keep in mind is that bold and vibrant shades of blue and purple also work beautifully with green if you are looking to create a cool tone setting. For a dose of warmth, try contrasting hues of orange or red. Alisberg Parker Architects repeated the same shade of green shown in the kitchen throughout the rest of the open concept space. What makes the green hue genuinely stand out is the room's contrasting monochromatic color scheme. The green cabinets and decorative accents truly sing when paired with soft creams, charcoal grays, natural wood tones, and jet black. If you are looking to add a bold splash of color to your home, but for whatever reason, you can't paint your walls anything but white, listen up. Interior designer Zoe Feldman decorated this space around the green and pink painting on the wall. The bright green bookcases pick up a similar shade spotted in the artwork. Note the jeweled tone armchair and throw pillow. Vibrant hues of green always look amazing paired with sapphire pinks and blues. Glossy, lawn green walls create a gorgeous backdrop for plush neutral tone sofas topped off with colorful pillows. When working with such a vibrant hue on the walls, it helps to balance the space with different pops of color. Here, interior designer Liz Kahn added lemon yellow side tables and a plush blue ottoman to help draw the eyes around the room. Yes, green is a cool color. However, darker shades of the hue that teeter on the edge of warmer tones can add loads of visual warmth to a room, such as the hunter green subway tiles in this cooking space proves. For room brightening contrast, the interior designers at Mercury Mosaics painted the cabinetry a beautiful shade of robin's egg blue, which cools down hunter green. Notice how the white walls and white quartz countertop both enhance the sense of colorful contrast. Delicious shade of avocado green as shown in this living room by Mendelssohn Group, looks simply mouthwatering when paired with a chocolate brown leather sofa. Enliven the walls in any room with green botanical wallpaper featuring birds. The wall trim painted a vibrant shade of emerald green beautiful frames the lively pattern. To take the room to the next level, the design team at Mendelssohn Group selected a teak dining room set with chairs punctuated with dusty red velvet headrests. Note the muted shade of red the team went with, a brighter shade would have felt too Christmassy. Pops of orange in the form of two table lamps expertly frame the dining area. Nope, the walls are not covered in green paint. Architect and interior design firm Alisberg Parker Architects installed green grass cloth that provides a great contrast to the traditional white trim and black and white artwork. The neutral furnishings continue the monochromatic theme established by the large wall prints. The throw pillows on the two wooden chairs also help continue the green theme. Graphic green wallpaper combined with a white ceiling and trim feels 100% refreshing in this entryway by D2 Interiors. Mixing organic shapes and textures like the rug, natural wood table, and straw baskets bring balance to the space while making things feel fresh and relaxing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.